well. He said cash out Pazelle. Matter of fact, scratch that, I'ma send you a stack just cause you fine as hell. And I told him, well, thank you, baby. Anything for my favorite lady. Well, I gotta go, they just let me know that I could pick up my Mercedes. I got hoes in different area codes. Everywhere I go, every time I pop out, I call and they drop the low. Drop that fucking location. Cause I got hoes in different area codes. She know what's up. Some of them bros, could be your dad. And I big pimpin' cause they know what's up. Got a nigga, yeah, he from the trap. He low-key, yeah, he stay off the map. Anytime I need some money, he say pull up cause it gotta be cash. Pushed up, he design it down. He like, babe, you ain't never around. When nigga, I gotta put up in the dirt cause why you ain't never in town? I'm out of the way with Pablo. This nigga swear that he yo Chapo. He know not to play in my face cause I swear it's hard for him to keep my calm, ho. He be tweaking cause he in my vato. In his pockets like I hit the lotto. I'ma get to this money as fuck these niggas. That's